Welcome to the lesson on important places in the city. Today, we will learn about key services that help people every day. These include the post office, police station, fire station, and library. These places are important for communication, safety, emergencies, and learning. The post office is a place where you can send letters and packages to people far away. You can buy stamps here to send your mail. The postman or mail carrier is the person who delivers letters to your home. Remember, the post office helps us stay connected with others. The police station is where police officers work to keep people safe. If there is a crime or trouble, you can go to the police station to ask for help. Police officers protect the community and help in emergencies. It is important to know how to find the police station. The fire station is where firefighters work and keep fire trucks. Firefighters put out fires and rescue people from dangerous situations. Fire trucks carry water and special tools used to stop fires. Knowing where the fire station is can help you in case of fire emergencies. A library is a quiet place full of books where people can read and learn. The librarian helps you find books or information you need. Books provide stories, facts, and knowledge for all ages. Libraries are important places for learning and exploring new ideas. These four services help keep the city safe and organized. The post office helps with mail. The police station handles safety and law. The fire station is for emergencies like fires. The library is for reading and learning. Together, they make city life easier and better. Let's test what you have learned. Which city service would you visit to send a letter or package? Where would you report a crime if you need help? What place do you go to if there is a fire emergency? Where can you borrow a book to read? Think about the answers carefully. The answers are as follows. To send a letter or package, visit the post office. To report a crime or ask for help, go to the police station. If there is a fire emergency, the fire station is the place to go. To borrow a book, visit the library. Well done on completing the quiz.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.